Okay, can you tell me your name?
My name is Robin Sahota.
And where are you from?
I am from Punjab.
Okay, what are you studying?
I am currently in final year of my BTech in aerospace engineering.
And can you tell us why you chose Wings of Aero for training and internship?
I chose Wings of Aero for training because I think that Wings of Aero and I are sharing a common cause, working for the betterment of the aerospace industry. And over here, I got the exposure that I really needed to, like from subtractive methods of manufacturing like sheet metal and using metal techniques, weldings and all, and to the additive manufacturing techniques, 3D and all those things. And it helped me to polish my designing skills, like CAD designing skills.
What have you learned so far from Wings of Aero?
I have learned about a lot of things, like most of the rocketry part, that about propulsion. Then I have learned about web development, like the TEMS calculator that we did. Like being a developer was a really good thing. And then about designing aircraft models, about VSP, a new software added to my skill set, and then how to design and how to tackle the manufacturing challenges that we come across.
How this training program will help you? How this training program will help your career? You think?
I guess that being here helped me a lot, like in exposing me to the real industrial things, like designing a part or component in time and then getting it into reality in time. And that's the real challenge, like it's our race against time. So I've learned that thing, that how to work under pressure and design accurately and precisely.
How is the food and accommodation provided by Wings of Aero?
Food and accommodation, no doubt, was really good, and we are staying here. It's been more than a month over here, and we are healthy as we were, and it's all good.
Tell us about our trainers.
Trainers are really good, like Adam sir, then Agnes sir, and the manager sir. Everyone is so good and polite and really helpful to us. Helped in our everyday errands and everything. Wherever we were stuck, they were the ones who helped us everywhere.
And can you tell us which are the places you have visited during this program?
During this program, first of all, we visited the Trivandrum, VSSC. So then afterwards we visited Kanyakumari. Then afterwards we visited Infant Jesus College of Engineering, Thoothukudi, and then Science Center. I guess Science Center, Tirunelveli, and these are the all I remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of 10, how much rating you provide for Wings of Aero?
Out of 10, I would give 9.5 for sure. A solid 9.5.
Okay. Whether you recommend Wings of Aero to others?
Yeah, sure, I will.
Okay. Tell us what you did in composite material training.
In composite material training, we learned about the different parts of composite materials, like the matrix and then the other fasteners and binders and everything, and how to apply them, what are the coating timings, how much coating it needs to be done, and what is the real technique to develop a material, 3D composite material, sorry. Yeah.
Share with us what you did in sheet metal fabrication.
In sheet metal fabrication, we learned how to design different kind of shapes out of metal. How to, like, simple shapes were cylindrical shapes were really easy, but the main challenge was the taper ones, and the taper one really took us a lot of time to get through. But it was really a good moment of joy when we got it right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Explain in short about your experience with NASA OpenVSP software.
NASA OpenVSP software, it's really now it's a arrow in my arsenal now. Like, we are designing a rocket plane, and it was really due to VSP that we designed the wing with this much ease. Actually, the airplane that we chose as a model, as a reference model, so it was having a really complex geometry. So it was having a little twist in it, and through CATIA, it was really hard for us to design it and then after get it manufactured. So we decided to do it in VSP, and VSP has been really helpful for us to get the dream of ours coming to reality.
How was the hands-on training with 3D printing and explain what you did in it?
Okay, so in 3D printing, it's like what you designed is coming to reality. It's a very beautiful moment for you when your design is coming to reality. I remember when first I designed a wing, and one of my fellow mates showed me that this is the one that had been printed. So it was really a moment of joy when I saw that. And now the Falcon a rocket model that we were preparing. So it was having complex geometries that only 3D printing could have been. With 3D printing, it could have been possible for us to make it. So it's really good to see that. And now I have known that how to use slicer and the softwares that are incorporated into 3D manufacturing. It's really good.
Okay. You got 100% scholarship on training fee, and how do you feel about it?
I feel really obliged to get this opportunity, and I am really thankful to the whole team of Wings of Aero, and especially Bon Vakishan sir. And he's really a great guy to initiate such kind of things and keep the fire inside the engineers burning.
And that's it for this. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.